In the metals quadrant, taking a look at a small pullback in the March copper futures contract. Copper had a slight down session today, but ended with a very strong week. As a matter of fact, this was the strongest week for copper on a percentage basis since the week of September 23rd. The high today, 4.36, was up 1.17%. The low, 4.2820, was down 0.64%. Sorry about that. And as we come in toward the close, we're still down 1/3 of 1%. Copper dropped after reaching the highest level since November 11th of last year. And the pullback today feels more like some weekend trade covering than an actual reversal in trend. U.S. payrolls data came in stronger than expected, driving yields higher. That's probably part of the reason that copper fell off. You get a drive in the yields higher, you get a little bit of move in the dollar higher, and that traditionally moves in inverse to copper, so dollar higher, commodities lower, including copper. December non-farm payrolls were expected to add 164,000 jobs, but instead they came in at 256,000 jobs, and the unemployment rate, which sat at 4.2%, came in at 4.1%. It was expected to not change at all, and this was with no change in the participation rate. The dollar in the aggregate jumped about 0.43%. Next week, there's going to be some market moving data for copper. And by that, I mean we're getting a big data dump coming from China. The China data that's going to be released next week, mostly on Thursday, is going to include year-over-year and quarter-over-quarter Chinese GDP, industrial production, and its employment data. So we'll keep an eye on that next week, and it'll likely have an effect on the price of copper.